Harbor Freight just changed the price on 54 items, and this time you don't need a coupon or an Inside Track Club membership. Some of these are real buys, some are just okay, and a few are probably only worth considering if you already need them. I went through the entire new instant savings list, and I'm going to show you every item without dragging this out all day. I'm Daryl, 63 and counting, and all these prices are supposed to be good through Thursday, October 8th. Let's start with a few that caught my attention right away. The Braun 500 lumen rechargeable folding slim bar light is $24.99. It's a magnetic rechargeable, and the folding design makes it useful under a hood, a sink, or anywhere you need a light without holding a flashlight. The Viking automatic battery charger is $64.99. It handles 2, 8, and 15 amp charging, so this is more of a garage battery charger than a little maintainer you leave connected all winter. The Luminor outdoor 24-foot LED string lights are $21.99. If you're finishing out a patio, porch, or outdoor sitting area, that may be worth a look while the weather is still good. The Pittsburgh 13-piece half-inch drive impact socket set is $17.99. If you need a basic set of impact sockets for tire or automotive work, this is one of the more useful deals in the whole group. The Warrior 10 amp variable speed rotary polisher and sander is $32.99. That's inexpensive enough for somebody who wants to polish a vehicle or tackle occasional sanding job without buying professional machines. The Pittsburgh 21-piece high visibility socket set is $19.99. It includes both SAE and metric sockets, and the bright markings should be easier to read than those tiny stamp numbers found on most basic sockets. The Warrior 6 amp reciprocating saw is $23.99. This is a corded saw with rotating handles, and it could make sense as a low-cost demolition or pruning saw if you don't already own one. The Pittsburgh 9-piece tubeless tire repair kit is $4.99. For less than $5, this is the kind of thing you can keep in the garage, truck, mower shed, or trailer box and hope you never need it. The Bauer 8.5-inch impact wrench with 2-inch extended anvil is $69.99. This is a corded half-inch impact, so there's no battery to buy, but you will need to decide whether that extended anvil fits the kind of work you do. The Hercules metal cutoff wheels are 10-pack for $9.99. They're 4.5-inch consumables at a decent price, usually easier to justify than buying another tool. The Merlin pistol grip tire inflator is $11.99. This is for use with an air compressor, and the pistol grip design gives you a simple way to check pressure and add air with one tool. The 6-pack of 10-inch steel tent stakes is $5.99. This is used for tents, landscaping, fabric, or any temporary outdoor setup that needs something stronger than a thin wire stake. The 4-piece Quinn pliers, $21.99. It's a good starter set and excellent to replace several worn-out pliers at once. The Drummond 750-gallon-per-hour drill pump is $14.99. You provide the drill, and this gives you a quick way to transfer water without buying a dedicated water-powered pump. The Greenwood 2-way Y-hose connector is $5.99. It's a simple deal, but it lets you run 2 hoses or leave a sprinkler and a regular hose connected to the same faucet. The Cen-Tech 6 and 12-volt circuit tester with a 5-foot lead is only $3.49. For basic vehicle and trailer electrical troubleshooting, this may be one of the best low-dollar buys in the group. The 3-inch rubber swivel caster with a brake is $4.99. Remember, that is for the price of one caster, so calculate the full cost before buying enough for a cart or workbench. The Warrior 5 TPI pruning blades are $7.99 for a 5-pack. These fit a reciprocating saw and can turn one into a quick limb cutting tool for a rough yard cleanup. The Warrior 4-volt cordless power cutter is $29.99. This is made from materials like cardboard, carpet, vinyl, and other light material, not for replacing your circular saw. The Hallmaster 75-foot camo diamond braid rope is $4.29. It's rated for 225 pounds, but pay attention to the working load and do not treat an inexpensive rope like a lifting strap. The Grant's Extreme Foaming Spray is $19.99. This attaches to a garden hose, so it's a simpler setup than a pressure washer for foam cannon and washing cars, mowers, and outdoor equipment. The Pittsburgh 4-piece nylon pry bar installer kit is $5.49. Nylon tools are useful around dashboards, door panels, trim, and other surfaces where a metal screwdriver can leave damage. The Chicago Electric Premium Welding Gloves are $6.29. Even if you only weld occasionally, a spare pair of heavy gloves is not a bad thing to keep near the welder. The Icon Professional Scraper is $11.99. It's a specialized hand tool, but it could be worth the extra money if you regularly remove gaskets, sealant, labels, or stuck-on materials. The Pittsburgh 7-piece 3/8 drive impact swivel socket set is $27.99. Swivel sockets can reach fasteners that a straight extension usually can't, especially around engines and tight automotive spaces. The Toolbox Professional Blue Shop Towels are $12.99 for 200 pieces. These are disposable towels, comparable price per towel with which you already buy before stocking up. The Pittsburgh 3-piece socket tray and organizer set is $7.99. If loose sockets are taken over a toolbox drawer, this may be a cheap way to get them separated by drive size. The Bauer 16-inch tool bag with 6 pockets is $12.99. This looks like a practical grab-and-go bag for a small set of hand tools, a drill, or a dedicated household repair kit. The Pittsburgh oil filter pliers are $4.99. That's cheap enough to keep around for stubborn spin-on filters, although access around the filter will determine whether the pliers are the right tool and useful for you. The Storehouse 4-inch stacking tilt bin is $1.99. One bin is cheap, but a whole wall of them adds up. So decide how many you actually need before starting an organization project. The Warrior 130-watt hot knife is $24.99. It's designed to cut and seal synthetic materials such as rope, webbing, foam, and plastic without leaving the same frayed edges as an ordinary blade. The Doyle 9.5-inch wire crimping tool is $14.99. This could be useful for automotive and trailer wiring, where a more substantial crimper gives you a better connection than the flimsy tool included in some connector kits. The 3-piece density foam mini roller kit is $3.49. This is a low-cost choice for small paint jobs, cabinet work, doors, trim, and touch-ups. The 1-inch chip brushes are $8.99. This is for a 36-pack. These are disposable brushes for glue, stain, solvent parts, cleaning, and other messy jobs where you don't want to clean the brush. The Bauer 20-volt cordless shear scrubber is $34.99 for the tool only. This is one where you need to remember that the battery and charger are not included, so it makes the most sense if you're already using your Bauer 20-volt platform. The Pittsburgh 2.5-inch spring clamp is only $1.49, and the smaller 1-inch steel spring clamp is $1.19. Neither one is a major purchase, but clamps have a habit of disappearing exactly when you need them. Don't I know it? The 12-pack steel wool is $2.99. It can be useful for strip cleaning and surface preparation, but make sure the grade is appropriate for the finish you're working on. You don't want to scratch things up. The Braun 1000 lumen tactical rail mount light is $44.99. That is much more specific purpose, so I would consider it if the mounting system and controls match exactly what you need. The Pittsburgh 20-ton low-profile bottle jack is $49.99. The low-profile design can help under heavy equipment, but always support the load properly. Never work under anything held up only by a jack. The Bauer large modular toolbox is $37.99. This could be one of the more interesting deals if you're already building a Bauer modular storage setup or want a portable box with more room than a basic tool bag. The Pittsburgh 16-quart oil container with drain pan is $14.99. The combined drain pan and storage container can make home oil changes cleaner as long as you have somewhere to appropriately take the used oil. The Greenwood 2-gallon home and garden sprayer is $12.99. This is a useful size for weed killer, insect treatments, or other yard chemicals without carrying a large backpack sprayer. The Pittsburgh 6-piece jumbo combination wrench set is $59.99. This is for larger fasteners, so check the included sizes and make sure you have an actual use for them before giving up that much drawer space. The Hallmaster 20-foot E-Track ratcheting tie-down is $9.99. This is rated at 1,467 pounds. 1,467 is useful, but it's only useful if your trailer or cargo setup already has E-Track or you plan to install it. The Pittsburgh 3-piece curved jaw locking plier set is $10.99. This is practical general purpose set for holding, clamping, and grabbing damaged fasteners. The Pittsburgh 13-piece ball-end key set is $5.99. The ball end helps you when you cannot approach a hex fastener perfectly straight, although they are not the ends you want to use for maximum braking torque. The Kenway 25-foot 4-way trailer wiring kit is only $11.99. This should save time on a small trailer rewiring job, but verify the connector and wire length before you start pulling the old harness out. The Hallmaster 10-inch solid rubber tire with steel hub is $6.99. A solid tire avoids flats on carts and hand trucks, but check the axle size and overall dimensions before you buy it. The Ranger hard terrain gel knee pads are $14.99. If you work on concrete, gravel, roofing, or landscaping, better knee protection can matter more than saving a few dollars on another hand tool. The Bauer masonry cutoff wheels are $5.99 for a 10-pack. These are for masonry, not metal, so make sure you grab the correct pack for the material you're cutting. The MidiVac hand vacuum pump is $49.99. This is specifically designed service tool for jobs like testing vacuum systems and bleeding brakes, so the value depends on whether you will actually use those functions. The Holt Industries self-adjusting oil filter pliers are $11.99. The self-adjusting design may be easier to use across different filter sizes than the basic fixed pair. And the final item is the Braun 12,000 lumen LED work light for $44.99. If you need to light up a garage, driveway, renovation, or outdoor job, this is one of the highest output lights in the group. My early standouts are the $17.99 impact socket sets, the $4.99 tire repair kit, the $3.49 circuit tester, the $9.99 Hercules cutoff wheels, $21.99 Quinn plier set, and the $44.99 12,000 lumen work light. But 54 instant savings prices can also make it easy to buy something just because the sign says sale. Make your list first, check the item number and price before you head to the register, and remember that these are instant savings prices. You should not need any type of coupon or inside track club membership. Let me know which one you think is the best deal, and tell me if there's anything here you want me to take a closer look at. Thanks for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Give me a like and subscribe. Y'all take care.